By 1850, there were 1 million people living in Paris. The population overflowed into the streets. Movement on the street was at a standstill and trade was impossible. The nephew of Napoleon Bonaparte, Napoleon III, came up with a dramatic plan to rebuild Paris by widening streets, improving traffic flow, and clearing the slums. Haussmann decided to buy up the land and move the slums and their inhabitants to the outskirts of the city. Now he could focus on the transportation problem. By easing traffic conditions, he felt he was organizing Paris and opening it up to an economic boost. Since the slums had been torn down, he had room to construct condominiums in their stead. He was very interested in giving Paris a modern look. Every apartment building was constructed to Haussmann's standards.